Subscribe to PyProtrix for Python and competitive programming and Bootstrap Station for technical videos. So today we are going to flip the ith bit. It means changing a 0 to 1 and a 1 to 0 on the ith position of a number. So let us consider a number here 171 whose binary representation is 10101011. Let us mark the bit positions 6, 7. So we will be considering two scenarios here. First we want to flip the third bit and then sixth bit so that we can know that it works for both 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So we want to change it to 0 and we want to change it to 1. Here I is equal to 3 and here I is equal to 6. And for doing this we will be using XOR bitwise operator. Let me make a truth table for it. So in the truth table of XOR bitwise operator, when you have same values, the answer is 0. You can see the same values 1, 1, the answer is 0. So when they are different, the answer is 1, right? You can see. So we can generalize it. X XOR with 0 is the number itself, and X XOR with 1 is the not of X, which means if X is equal to 0, so it will give us 1, right? So 0 is flipped in this case, and if X is 1 XOR with 1, then also it will be flipped and the answer is 0. You can check these values from the table itself, right? You can check them. 0 XOR 1 is 1 and 1 XOR 1 is 0. So we are going to use this property. Now for flipping the bit, we need a mask. The mask must be of type 0 at all other places and 1 at the ith position. So we are considering I is equal to 3 in this case. So this will be our mask 1 at the ith position. And if we go for flipping the sixth bit, then we have to make 1 on the sixth bit and all other places should be 0. So how we are going to use this mask with the number is we will be doing an XOR of mask and the number, and this will give our final answer. So let us write this. Let us go for I is equal to 3 in the first case. So the number will be 10101011, and the mask for I is equal to 3 is this one. So we will be placing this here 00001000, and you already know that for same numbers the XOR is 0. So we are doing XOR here. For same numbers it is 0, and if both numbers are different then the XOR is 1, right? So 1 1 and here also 1 1. So now you can see this bit we are flipping, and you can see that it is changed from 1 to 0, right? So we have successfully flipped the bit and all other bits remain same. There are no changes in other bits. You can check 1 is 1 here, 0 is 0, 1 1, 0 0, 0 0, 1 1 1 and 1. So all other bits remain same and we only changed the ith bit. Same you can do for I is equal to 6. Our number will be same 10101011, and the mask will be 1 at the ith position. This is I is equal to 6 here, this position, right? And 0 at all other places. And if we do an XOR with it, all others numbers will remain same, and 0 XOR 1 is 1. You already know it from the table. And here also 1. And now you can see that we have successfully flipped the bit from 0 to 1, right? It is right here. So now we just have to code it. Let us create a function def flip ith bit, and we will be provided with the number and the ith position. Create the mask is equal to. So how we create the mask? Here you can see that for I is equal to 3 we have 3 number of zeros. For I is equal to 6 we have 6 number of zeros. So for creating the mask, we can just shift 1 by I number of places. I hope you know about the left shift operator. What it does is it adds I number of zeros on the right side of 1. Okay, so in case of 6, it will add 6 zeros on the right side of 1. In case of 3, it will add 3 zeros on the right side of 1. So let us create the mask. 1 is left shift by I number of places, and our answer will be the XOR of num and the mask, and we are going to return the answer. So let us quickly test it. Flip the ith bit of 171 of the third position and flip the ith bit of 171 of the sixth position, and here we are getting the answer as 163 and 235. Let us get the binary representation of 163, and here you can see 10, 1000 and 11, and here we have the answer 10, 1000 and 11. So we are correct. And let us check the binary representation of 235 also, and you see here 111010111 1110111, right? So we have successfully flipped the ith bit from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So please subscribe to PyProtricks and Boostup Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.